Innovation in construction is not just about building faster, it is about building smarter. CSEC recently carried out a comprehensive technical visit to Inno Precast Co Limited in Thailand from March 8th to 12th, 2026. The main objective was to gain a complete understanding of precast construction technologies, covering both theoretical and practical applications. The delegation was led by Professor Priyan Mendis, co-founder and honorary chairman, along with founder and deputy chairman, engineer Shriomal Fernando. They were joined by executive director, engineer Kithmal Perera, and Dr. Thushara Priyadarshana from the Open University of Sri Lanka. The opportunity for this visit was made possible through the support of Dr. Musa Balbaki, Director, Products and Solutions Portfolio at Siam City Cement Lanka Limited, and Mr. Petra Dobre, Head of Group Product and Technical Solutions at Siam City Cement Public Company Limited. Both experts provided valuable technical guidance and shared their extensive expertise on precast element manufacturing, assembly into structural systems, and related industry practices. During the visit, the team observed the full production cycle for a wide range of precast elements, including beams, columns, and slab panels. This included a deep dive into preparation, reinforcement placement, concreting, and finishing. The team also explored the INSEE dry mix and Conwood production facilities in Saraburi, witnessing the advanced machinery and quality control procedures that define modern industry standards. Beyond manufacturing, the visit provided unique insights into how individual elements are assembled into complete structural systems. By witnessing these completed precast structures firsthand, CSEC continues to bridge the gap between global innovation and local excellence. CSEC, advancing the future of structural engineering